Moses. I am the founder of Oponeko. Oponeko is a cloud-based school management ERP that seeks to simplify school processes and also align students towards their academic purpose. Oponeko is not just a management tool. The purpose of Oponeko is that with the rising population of young Africans, it is paramount for them to be aligned to the right academic course due to the limited opportunities. So it's best to align students to courses that suit their strengths, their learning strengths, and also in terms of how they perform in various exams. And with Open Echo, students are able to like see how things are done in the digital world, be it how CBT exams are done, and also like submission of assignment, and also like a digital form of taking attendance. So in Open Echo, the school gets to see their list of staff and also their list of students. They can bulk create their students, either like creating like 1,000 or 2,000 students at a time to make their workflow easy. Then in the classroom section, we have quite a number of features that include assignments, a group chat feature, and also a continuous assessment management tool that computes the entire assignments and assessments given to the students throughout a particular term or session. Then we also have the lesson plan feature that seeks to remove the stress of teachers, like after lecturing and teaching students, going back home to the tedious work of having to use a manual paper and biro to write down their lesson notes. So with Okmo Echo, teachers can like generate lesson plans and lesson notes to suit their context and make sure that all what they are trying to like teach the students are within the curriculum, and also to make sure that feedbacks are also gotten from the students after lectures. So there are quite a number of workflows there for lesson plan, and there's also like a timetable feature where students can and teachers can see their timetable. Then there's also like a course registration. So where every term and every session students are required to like register for courses, and also like their parents are also like taking along in the decision process. So parents can see the courses that their children are taking and also like give their approval. There's also like a robust resource management flow and a communication channels for chats, for announcements, for voting, and also like a social media platform where students can like communicate their thoughts and socialize within the school environment.